Hello, my name is Vinay Barbe, and today's date is 18th of September 2023, and I'm here to discuss about the data flow in the Angular to the Spring. So basically, let us talk about the Angular. What is Angular? So Angular, it is like a JavaScript framework, and it is widely used for the building web application after that, when you create the developing Angular application, it's often necessary to establish connection between the backend database and the respective server. So let us see one by one. So talking about if you create using the Angular, then it is in a JavaScript framework, so it is used for the front end purpose. So front end, in the front end, that whatever you are looking the a desktop site, that is called as the front end. So it must be have some styling purpose by using the HTML, CSS, and the Angular. So it is for the a front end purpose. And after that, it has like a back end. So for the backend, we are using the Spring. In the Spring, we are using backend because of there are some security purpose. Uh, Rather than if you want to create read CRUD application by using the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, but it is not that type of security. So for that purpose, we are using the backend like a Spring Boot. And after that, there are some much more data in your server, so it can't be handled. So we are using for that database like SQL, MySQL, uh, that is used for the backend purpose. So you can assume that it is in a backend server and the database server. So that is the a basic flow of the a front end and the back end and the database. And after that, we'll talk about the data flow in the Angular form. So there are two types, two forms in the Angular. First one is reactive, and after that template driven, and the it has follow some different structure to handle user input. So let us talk about the data flow in the reactive form. So in the reactive form, each form the element in the view and directly linked to the form model, and any updation from the view of the model and the model view are synchronous and are not dependent on the UI. So UI means whatever you are user interface that you see in your desktop. So after that, we'll talk about how you connect the Angular to the database. So you can connect with the REST API. So REST API you need to create, and you need to have some you can say the unique API key it has. You can create RESTful API, and after that you can connect via MySQL. So after that, talking about CRUD application. So by the all of those things are combined to each other, and you can use each by using the CRUD. So basically, CRUD means create, delete, update. That is the basically or the CRUD application. So let us give some example. If you want to add the data of the student, then it has all of those CRUD application it need to be follow. It has updated. If anyone comes and admit take some take admission in the any of the university, then you need to fetch their data into the front end, and after that by using the back end you can by using the server you can get to know in the back end, and after that it need to be stored in the database. After that, talking about if you does not store in the database, then after the refreshing the page, the data will automatically remove from the UI. So that is the data flow between the Angular, Spring, and the database. Thank you.